So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke, your love's life DOA. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like a
Oh my gosh, this is the best part here. Pivot! Oh! Welcome back, guys. Today we have a special vlog for you guys. I started off the day here in San Francisco because of a dentist appointment, but it's about to get a lot better now because we are at the Friends exhibit here. Oh, somebody's getting in trouble. So we are at the AT&T store here in downtown San Francisco, and the exhibit here is because they are celebrating the 25th year of Friends. Woohoo! And this is Lala's here. We're also waiting on Alex and Erica. So let's go check it out. We're probably gonna be done by the time they get here. Wow! Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh! It's so legit. All right, we need to get some pictures in.
That's nice.
Speechless.
That's so cool. Now we don't have to do that Universal Studios.
Yeah.
Is that Phoebe's guitar? Say smelly cat.
Whoa. This is so legit. Wow. This is like real. Hey, I think we can see the Naked Man.
So this is so crazy. I knew there were 2 floors to this building, but I didn't expect like how legit this was gonna be. It's like, hi Lala. You see our Friends shirts, yeah? Mine is from Target. Yours is from Amazon. Amazon. So if y'all need Friends shirts, they sell some here. I saw they sold some Central Perk shirts here. But this is a free thing. You just show up. It's at an AT&T store. The same AT&T did like a Game of Thrones thing a couple of months ago, but I don't know if it was like this legit. But here on the 2nd floor, they have the whole Central Perk. And then right now we are in Monica's apartment. Look at this. Look at this.
Just took this off the fridge. It says, "What are they feeding you?" It's a smelly cat.
What are they feeding you? Smelly cat. Look at that. And then the couch. They blocked the TV over there. There's even the window with a fake view. It's legit, guys. Legit.
So they actually made up like a set, like a legit set. We have cameras up on site over here. We have some microphones hanging from the top. Lighting is perfect. And then they even have all these live cameras here. I wonder if they even actually like record. That's really cool. This is something new. I did not know they made Friends Pop toys. We have Ross, we have Phoebe Buffet, Ross again. I guess those 2. But they have also a gift store. I guess last thing you could do here before you head out. And they have all this apparel, all these toys, water bottles, bags, umbrellas, you name it. That's really cool.
All 10 seasons are in here.
Oh wow.
My 10 seasons is this long. Because each season is like this fat.
Right.
So it's like this long. It's crazy. Technology.
What is this, Leah? There's more? I know. They only have Phoebe and Ross. What is up with that, huh? 2-1. Whoa, check this out. You have like a little recording studio where you can, I guess, redo an episode.
No, I'm sorry. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Smelly cat, smelly cat. Better. Yeah, much better. Don't feel bad because it's a hard song. Yeah.
Your turn. Tap record and give it your best.
Smelly cat. we'll keep going.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. They won't take you to the vet. You're obviously not their favorite pet. You're not really the bed of roses, and you're no friend to those with noses. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. It's so good.
You too, Leah.
This cat actually is. I just think that maybe if we could talk about this, because I need to feel that you really care about the cat.
So we are now home and the girls are asleep, but we didn't get to end the vlog while we were there. Can you stop?
Jonathan's trying to kill me.
Cut the
My eyes
cheese.
are red because
Oh
she's
my
farted.
god, not even. But still, we are now home. The girls are asleep, and we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We did want to mention that, I don't know if Zoran already mentioned it, but the exhibit's gonna be there until the end of the year. It's
Who said?
free.
Who heard that? Somebody else? I only heard that from one of our friends who was there. I don't know.
Okay, so
We think.
we think.
But you can easily call the Powell, 1 Powell, that's the address, 1 Powell Street AT&T store to confirm that information.
Yeah.
We should have confirmed, but we're pretty sure it's there till the end of the year.
It's free.
It is free. Itchy.
And we went on a weekday and literally almost nobody there.
We heard that, or I heard from my other friend, she knew people that went there, I guess, over the weekend. And it was busy because there are so many people and you have to like wait to take turns to take pictures and stuff, which makes sense. But we went on a Tuesday and it was raining, so if you want to go on a day it's raining, probably would be the best thing to do, because we like didn't have to wait for anything. People were waiting for us because there were so many of us. But other than that, it was like, I mean, we just, anyway, that's it.
Alright guys, well if you guys enjoyed the vlog, please be sure to drop us a like, subscribe if you're new.
If your husband cuts the cheese on you all the time, comment below.
Yes, I guess. Bye.
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat,